Guys, Smow here before the storm comes. I have to paddle during the storm. It's getting windy, so we had to take our dog out, Apolito, out before the storm. But I'll still keep reporting for you guys from our boat, so you guys have a perspective from the bay. Smow here, signing out. This is my process to get to my boat in the middle of the storm, as the commissioners, all of them, David Suarez magazine, Tanya Bhatt, Laura Domingues, Alex Fernandez, and Kristen Rosen, even the mayor decided to cut our access to land. So yeah, this is my process. Check it out. Waves. I feel like we have winds over 30 miles per hour now. Gusts, but the wind is picking up. The waves are picking up. So yeah, it's starting. So I'll keep reporting for you guys. The winds are gusts of 30. I think consistent are between 20 miles per hour in the bay. So I'll keep you guys posted. Smow here. The winds have picked up. They're around like 40 miles per hour now. Waves. The rain is picked up a lot. So yeah, we'll keep on trucking here, trying to help the community out. If anything happens, I'll show you a little bit. It cooled down just now, that's why I'm reporting. So yeah, I'll be back. Go.